Welcome to this final section of the program. Two items remain to be demonstrated which will assist you during a starter motor overhaul. The first is the removal and replacement of the Bendix unit. Support the armature securely in the vise. Use soft jaws to protect the shaft. To remove the pinion stop collar, select a ring spanner that will slip neatly down the shaft. Tap the spanner to dislodge the ring retainer. Spread the split ring using a suitable snap ring tool in order to slide the ring off the shaft. The Bendix can now be removed. Prior to replacing a Bendix, the splined shaft should be cleaned and lightly coated with high melting point grease. The Bendix is now simply positioned back onto the shaft. Next, the pinion stop is replaced. Note that the retainer has a concave face. This must be positioned upward to face the clip. The retainer is positioned, and then the snap ring is relocated. Pliers are used to compress the snap ring and lock the retainer over the ring. The next demonstration was mentioned in the previous program, namely the testing of brush spring tensions. Brush springs may lose their tension during operation, and in so doing will result in poor brush contact upon the commutator. Ideally, all four brushes should be equally tensioned to create equal brush face pressure. Testing spring tension can only be performed when the brush plate has been assembled and the brushes are against the commutator. The test procedure begins by slipping a strip of paper beneath a brush, using the hook tool to lift the brush spring slightly. Next, using a spring scale, the spring is gently pulled upward until the paper strip slips out when lightly pulled. At this moment, we read the spring scale and note the reading. The procedure is repeated on the remaining 3 brushes and the 4 readings compared. Specifications must be given for actual tensions on various size springs. The important point, however, is that the 4 springs should not have widely varying tensions. If in doubt, we suggest that new springs be fitted during the overhaul. This brings us to the end of this program and the series on starter motor maintenance.